Guys, good afternoon. Welcome to our vlog. Welcome to our life in Philippines. I married a foreigner.
Do I look like a foreigner?
Yes, you do.
Oh.
A foreigner. Foreign germs.
See, I'm a foreigner, but she's got the foreigner shirt on. See, the Aussie
Australia, guys.
Kangaroo?
Kangaroo. So, guys, we're gonna
Oh,
go
it's an emu.
at the back.
No, only kangaroo, no emu.
On the kangaroo. Emu.
No emu.
There's somewhere here. Somewhere the emu. I don't know. We have a boomerang. No emu.
No emu.
What happened? Crocodile.
Koala.
Koala. Here, habala. There is none. So guys, pupunta lang kami sa
And Vegemite.
kuha ng nagkukunin kami, guys. And then imit namin si Giu. Imit namin si Giu. Giu in the Philippines. Giu in Philippines. So ayun, guys. Ay. We shall go. Guys, yung kuha tayo ng shoes or slippers. Kuha tayo ng chinelas. We turn off the light. Ito yung mga ginagawa namin yesterday. May naiwan pa tayo na mga bagay-bagay na ginawa namin.
I'll take one of your drinks. Advertise the drink. No sugar.
No sugar.
See? No sugar.
Oh, favorite niya yan, guys, na drink. Salty lychee. Yun yung favorite niya. Ito lang guro na shoes ang gagamitin ko. Nagamit ko na siya noon, but anyway, it's just fine. Namimili lang tayo dito, guys, ng isusot natin. Namimili lang tayo dyan kung ano. So, my favorite. At saka yan sila. Madulas lang. Ito, madulas. This one is good, pero ito madulas. Yung dalawa. Yeah, we finished. We are ready to go. We better not lock the door because Bubu
Oh, sleep.
will be sleeping. So, okay. Let's go, everybody. They are studying aeronautics. So they're studying the air. Chicken house.
Because I eat rice. The wife ate burger. She's an Aussie.
Okay, guys, kain tayo. A real Aussie food. Burger. Kakute ng burger nila. It's just right for me. Burger. Yummy. And a Coke Zero. And the rice for my Australian husband.
This is shaking.
Te. Okay, man. Okay. Okay, man. Welcome to the 3rd floor. Everybody, welcome to the 3rd floor. Bo? Welcome, guys. Ito yung 3rd floor natin. Guys, good morning. I married a foreigner.
Good morning.
That's my foreigner. Guys, we are in McDonald's. Ayan. McDonald's Forbes. Dito sa Bacolod City. We are going to have our breakfast. Kainin na. Coke Zero kami mo. And this is our breakfast, guys. Let's eat.
Because they're not in the city now, they can't park about.
Lama.
They should do just walk along here and check all the.
Oo.
They can do that.
Ang ilan ni nga, Juan. Ako ba? Nakakulilbaan ang karga mo, Mike. Damo, canggih saya keadaan. So guys, good morning. Andito tayo sa Gawahon Eco Park in Victorias. So ayan guys, may butas sa gitna ng daan. Papunta na sila ni Glenn. They're gonna come that way, little bit that way. Yan. Teka diyo. Plenty room. Yeah, no hunting ko no. No shooting. Hindi siya. Ah, okay na. One house amo ni nasiling yaw. Na pwede mapicturan. Daway nila nalagaan.
Nila na nalagaan.
Pwede tada ka pa magpunta ng sinipin ng post. Patid na lang yun.
Yan ang pol. Di ba sa mga? Thank you. Gawahon Eco Park.
So guys, nandito na kami sa ano. Ito na guys, oh, ang Gawahon Eco Park. Very nice place. Guidelines when trekking to the waterfalls. Sus, ay. Malakat ka mo yan sa waterfalls. We need the shoes. Aha, harap siya galing. Amo ning first falls nila.
Hala, ang isa kahagdanan.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.